Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 inches best pastry brush is Conservasin silicone basting brush. A color-coded set makes it simple to designate pastry brushes for different operations while avoiding cross-contamination. The set of 4 is made of FDA-approved silicone and is heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with a handy drawstring bag for storage. Silicone bristles do not break or shed, which is a common issue with natural bristles. They're also adaptable. They're a natural fit for barbecue basting brushes, which are used to spread glaze on roasting turkeys and layer heavy marinades. This variant has the disadvantage of not being suitable for delicate pastries and frequently failing to absorb enough liquid to create an even egg wash. The large heat capacity, on the other hand, makes it ideal for sugar operations. When you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher for simple cleanup. Number 2 in our side is M Kitchen Basting Brush. Forget fibers falling in food. Made for baking, barbecue, or spreading oil, our premium-grade basting brush set won't shed, warp, or discolor on you. Expertly designed silicone brush set is both stain and odor resistant. The sleek design of each cooking brush will look excellent in any kitchen, and to top it all off, they're dishwasher safe. Designed with a soft, ergonomic handle, this light yet sturdy food brush is an ideal cooking accessory from beginning bakers to chic chefs. Turn up the heat. This versatile oil and barbecue brush works on grills and non-stick pans, and is heat-resistant up to 446 degrees. Designed with advanced liquid-retaining technology, this kitchen brush offers a superior spread for your next meal. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best pastry brush list is OXO Good Grips Pastry Brush. OXO is a brand noted for its low-cost, long-lasting products. With a slip-resistant, gripping handle angled for optimal comfort and a sealed base that prevents food and fluids from gathering and triggering bacterial development, this pastry brush is no exception. The OXO Good Grips pastry brushes have natural boar bristles that pick up and hold glaze, egg wash or sauces. The brush heads are angled to keep them elevated and prevent drips on the countertop. Aside from the handle's intuitive design, the head is also well made. The natural boar bristles are pliable and hold enough liquid for basting large batches of turnovers, and the angled head keeps the brush elevated, which has 2 benefits. Bristles never touch the countertop, even when the brush is set down, and drips on the countertop are a thing of the past, resulting in less mess. It can also be washed in the dishwasher. For details, our 4th pick is Winco Pastry Brush. This is most likely the model that comes to mind. Natural boar hair bristles and a strong varnished wood handle make the Winco pastry brush a comfortable grip. For chores like applying egg wash, buttering a skillet, or soaking a cake in simple syrup, the flat, paintbrush-style design provides maximum coverage. The soft bristles are densely packed across the brush, but loose enough to ensure that you get the most liquid out of it. This is the brush to use when working with delicate pastries or pie crusts. Last in this list is HOTEC Basting Brushes. This silicone basting brush set BPA-free, low-carbon and environmentally friendly non-toxic, lead-free odorless. With stainless steel core inside non-slip handle and more durable. 100% made in premium food-grade silicone, unlike other bristle brushes, the silicone bristles will not break or shed in your food, more healthy. 4 rows of 60 silicone-coated bristles designed to mop up and hold generous amounts of liquid better and more efficiently than average brushes. The bristles compact and sturdy, with high toughness, there will be not any bristles in your foods. 2 size-based brushes for 1 large brush with 1 small brushes meet your different needs, can avoid flavor cross-contamination.